Imagine standing on a quiet hill under a starlit sky, the cool night air brushing your skin, and the universe stretching endlessly above you. That tiny blue dot we call Earth, our home, holds every story, every dream, every life that has ever been. It's where our journey begins. But what if we could leave this fragile sphere behind, soaring beyond the clouds, past the moon, and into the infinite expanse of the cosmos? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an epic quest to grasp the true scale of our universe. A journey that will leave you awestruck, humbled, and inspired to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive into the cosmic ocean together and discover just how vast, mysterious, and beautiful our universe truly is. Our story begins on Earth, a vibrant world of oceans, forests, and sprawling cities, all cradled in the delicate balance of life. From the peaks of the Himalayas to the depths of the Mariana Trench, this planet is a masterpiece of nature's artistry. As of August 28, 2025, Earth's population stands at approximately 8.2 billion people, each with their own stories, hopes, and dreams, all sharing this singular home. It's a place of breathtaking beauty, a swirl of blues and greens, wrapped in wispy clouds, glowing softly against the velvet darkness of space. But Earth is more than just a planet. It's a beacon of life in an immense cosmic sea. Every human who ever lived, from ancient philosophers to modern dreamers, has called this tiny sphere home. It's where Cleopatra gazed at the stars, where Einstein unraveled the secrets of the universe, and where you're watching this video right now. Before we soar outward, take a moment to reflect. What does Earth mean to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how our shared home inspires you. As we lift off from Earth's surface, the familiar fades. Cities shrink to specks, oceans blur into shimmering patches, and soon our planet becomes a distant marble suspended in the void. Our first stop is the moon, a silvery sentinel that has captivated humanity for millennia. Let's journey there together. The moon lies approximately 384,400 kilometers from Earth, a distance so vast it's hard to fathom. Picture driving a car at 100 kilometers per hour, day and night, without stopping. It would take you over 160 days to reach the moon. That's 5 months of relentless driving, just to touch the dusty, cratered surface of our closest cosmic neighbor. From the moon's vantage point, Earth is a breathtaking sight, a fragile, glowing orb of blues and greens, floating alone in the blackness. In 1968, the Apollo 8 astronauts captured this view in the iconic Earthrise photograph, a moment that changed how we see ourselves. Astronaut William Anders described it as a humbling reminder of our planet's fragility, a lone oasis in the vast desert of space. Standing on the moon, you'd feel the weight of that truth. Earth is precious, delicate, and impossibly small in the grand cosmic tapestry. This perspective shifts something inside us. It's a reminder to cherish our home, to protect its oceans, forests, and skies. What do you think this view of Earth would feel like if you could see it with your own eyes? Share your thoughts below, and let's keep this cosmic conversation going. Now, let's push further, leaving the moon behind as we set our sights on the heart of our solar system, the sun. As we zoom outward, the moon fades into the distance, and Earth becomes a distant speck. Our next milestone is the sun, a fiery colossus that anchors our solar system. The sun is roughly 150 million kilometers from Earth, a distance astronomers call 1 astronomical unit, AU. To grasp this scale, consider that light, racing at 300,000 kilometers per second, takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to Earth. If you hopped on a commercial jet flying at 900 kilometers per hour, it would take you nearly 19 years to reach the sun. That's a lifetime of travel just to approach the star that warms our world. The sun is a behemoth, a roiling sphere of plasma so massive it accounts for 99.86% of our solar system's mass. Its surface burns at 5,500 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt any material we know. Yet from 150 million kilometers away, it provides the perfect amount of energy to sustain life on Earth. Plants photosynthesize, oceans churn, and humanity thrives, all thanks to this distant fireball. It's a humbling reminder of how finely tuned our existence is, balanced on the edge of cosmic forces. As we linger in the sun's glow, let's pause to appreciate its role in our lives. How often do we take its warmth for granted? If this journey sparks a sense of wonder, hit that like button to share the awe, and let's keep exploring. Our next destination is a world that has captured our imagination for centuries, Mars. Leaving the sun's radiance behind, we venture toward Mars, our enigmatic red neighbor. At its closest approach, Mars is about 54.6 million kilometers from Earth, but this distance can stretch to 401 million kilometers when the planets are on opposite sides of the sun. To put that in perspective, a commercial jet would take over 50 years to reach Mars at its closest point. Space travel, as we know it in 2025, is no small feat. NASA's Perseverance rover, launched in 2020, took 7 months to cover this distance, navigating the complexities of orbital dynamics and interplanetary trajectories. Mars is a world of stark beauty, crimson deserts, towering volcanoes, and canyons that dwarf Earth's Grand Canyon. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, stands 22 kilometers tall, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The Valles Marineris Canyon stretches over 4,000 kilometers, a scar across the planet's face that tells tales of ancient geologic upheavals. As of 2025, humanity has sent 10 rovers and landers to Mars, with China's Zhurong rover and NASA's Curiosity still active, probing the planet's surface for signs of ancient water and microbial life. Mars ignites our curiosity because it's tantalizingly close, yet maddeningly out of reach. Scientists believe it once had flowing rivers and vast oceans, perhaps even life. Could Mars hold clues to our own planet's past or future? This question drives missions like the European Space Agency's ExoMars program, set to launch a new rover in 2028. What do you think? Could Mars one day be a second home for humanity? Drop your ideas in the comments, and let's dream big. Now, let's push further to the outer reaches of our solar system, where ice giants await. Our journey now takes us to Neptune, a distant ice giant that marks the edge of our solar system. Neptune lies roughly 4.5 billion kilometers from Earth, or about 30 astronomical units. Light from the sun, traveling at its blistering pace, takes 4 hours and 15 minutes to reach this far-flung world. If you could stand on Neptune's turbulent surface, battered by winds reaching 2,400 kilometers per hour, you'd see a deep blue planet shrouded in methane clouds, glowing faintly under a dim, distant sun. Neptune is a realm of extremes. Its core is scorching, yet its atmosphere is one of the coldest places in the solar system, dipping to minus 201 degrees Celsius. Discovered in 1846, it remains one of the least explored planets, visited only once by Voyager 2 in 1989. That mission revealed a world of stunning complexity, with a great dark spot, a storm the size of Earth, and rings of dust and ice. Neptune feels like a cosmic outpost, a final frontier before the vastness of interstellar space. The distance to Neptune reminds us how immense our solar system is. Voyager 1, launched in 1977, took 12 years to reach this point, and it's still humanity's farthest reaching ambassador. As of August 28, 2025, Voyager 1 is over 24.4 billion kilometers from Earth, traveling at 17 kilometers per second. Its faint signals, powered by a dwindling nuclear battery, take 22.5 hours to reach us. This tiny spacecraft carries a golden record, a message to any extraterrestrial finder, with sounds and images of Earth, our music, our voices, our story. Voyager's journey inspires a sense of wonder. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our drive to explore the unknown. What message would you send to the stars? Share your ideas in the comments, and let's keep this cosmic adventure alive. As we leave Neptune behind, we approach a pivotal moment, the edge of our solar system and the threshold of interstellar space. Beyond Neptune lies the Oort cloud, a theoretical sphere of icy objects enveloping our solar system. This distant cloud stretches up to 100,000 astronomical units, about 1.9 light years from the sun. To grasp this scale, consider that 1 light year is 9.46 trillion kilometers. The Oort cloud is so far that we've never directly observed it. Its existence is inferred from the orbits of long-period comets that occasionally streak toward the sun. The Oort cloud marks the boundary where the sun's influence wanes. Here we encounter the heliopause, the point where the solar wind, streams of charged particles from the sun, meets the interstellar medium, the sparse gas and dust between stars. Voyager 1 crossed this boundary in 2012, becoming the first human-made object to enter interstellar space. As of 2025, it's still sending data, a lone emissary in the cosmic void. In 1990, at a distance of 6 billion kilometers, Voyager 1 turned its camera back toward Earth at the urging of astronomer Carl Sagan. The result was the pale blue dot image, a grainy photograph showing Earth as a tiny, faint speck in a vast sea of darkness. Sagan's words still resonate. That's home. That's us. On it. Everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was, lived out their lives. This image is a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. A single dot, fragile and fleeting, yet brimming with life and meaning. The Oort cloud and heliopause are the final markers of our solar system. Beyond them lies a realm we can scarcely imagine. What does the pale blue dot mean to you? Does it inspire awe, responsibility, or something else? Share your reflections below, and if this journey moves you, hit that subscribe button to explore more of the universe with us. Now, let's take a leap into the stars. Leaving our solar system, we set our sights on Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our sun, located 4.37 light-years away, or 41.3 trillion kilometers. This distance is staggering. Voyager 1, traveling at 17 kilometers per second, would take over 76,000 years to reach it. Alpha Centauri is a triple star system, with two sun-like stars, Alpha Centauri A and B, and a smaller red dwarf, Proxima Centauri, which hosts the nearest known exoplanet, Proxima b, discovered in 2016. Proxima b, orbiting in its star's habitable zone, has sparked dreams of interstellar exploration. Could it harbor life? As of 2025, projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send tiny laser-propelled probes to Alpha Centauri, reaching it in just 20 years, a feat that seemed impossible a decade ago. Yet even with such technology, human travel to these stars remains a distant dream, requiring breakthroughs in propulsion and life support. The vastness of this distance underscores a profound truth. The stars are not just far, they are unimaginably distant. Light from Alpha Centauri, traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, takes 4.37 years to reach us. When you look at those stars tonight, you're seeing light that began its journey in 2021. It's a time machine in the sky, connecting us to the past. What would you ask an alien civilization in Alpha Centauri if you could? Drop your ideas in the comments, and let's imagine the possibilities. Our journey now scales up to the grandeur of our galaxy. Zooming out, we enter the Milky Way, our spiral galaxy, stretching 100,000 light-years across. Picture a cosmic pinwheel, its arms swirling with 200 to 400 billion stars, each potentially hosting planets teeming with life. Our solar system sits in a quiet suburb, the Orion Arm, about 27,000 light-years from the galaxy's center, where a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A star, holds court with a mass 4.3 million times that of our sun. Within the Milky Way, humanity's presence is a faint whisper. Our radio and television signals, broadcast since the early 20th century, have formed a human radio bubble, extending about 100 light-years from Earth. Beyond this bubble, our existence is unknown. To a civilization 1,000 light-years away, Earth is silent, its signals still en route. The Milky Way's scale dwarfs our history. Our entire recorded past is a fleeting moment in its cosmic timeline. Imagine standing on a planet in a distant arm of the Milky Way, gazing back at our tiny bubble. What stories might other worlds tell? The galaxy is alive with possibilities. Pulsars spinning wildly, nebulae birthing new stars, and planets we'll never see. This vastness is both humbling and exhilarating. If this sparks your curiosity, hit that like button and share your thoughts below. What do you think lies in the Milky Way's farthest reaches? Let's venture beyond our galaxy into the cosmic wilderness. Leaving the Milky Way, we plunge into intergalactic space, a vast void where galaxies float like islands in an endless sea. Our galaxy is part of the Local Group, a cluster of over 54 galaxies spanning 10 million light-years. The Local Group includes the majestic Andromeda Galaxy, 2.5 million light-years away, and smaller dwarf galaxies like the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds, visible from Earth's southern skies. The distances here are mind-boggling. Light from Andromeda takes 2.5 million years to reach us, meaning we see it as it was when our ancestors were crafting stone tools. Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a collision course, set to merge in about 4.5 billion years, forming a new elliptical galaxy. Don't worry, we won't be around to witness the chaos, but it's a reminder that even galaxies dance to the universe's rhythm. Intergalactic space is a silent expanse, with galaxies separated by millions of light years of emptiness. It's a humbling reminder of our isolation, yet also a canvas for imagination. What mysteries lie in these voids? Could there be life in distant galaxies gazing back at us? Share your cosmic dreams in the comments. And if this journey inspires you, subscribe to keep exploring. Our next stop is a structure so vast it redefines scale, the Virgo supercluster. Zooming further out, we arrive at the Virgo supercluster, a colossal collection of galaxy groups and clusters, including our local group. Spanning 110 million light years, it contains thousands of galaxies, with a total mass equivalent to 1.2 quadrillion suns. The Virgo cluster, its heart, hosts over 1,300 galaxies, anchored by the massive elliptical galaxy M87, home to a black hole photographed in 2019 by the Event Horizon Telescope. The Virgo supercluster is a bustling cosmic metropolis, with galaxies orbiting, colliding, and merging in a gravitational ballet. Our Milky Way is a tiny speck within this vast structure, orbiting the supercluster's center over billions of years. The scale is almost incomprehensible. Light takes 110 million years to cross this supercluster, a journey spanning countless stars, planets, and stories. This immense structure challenges our sense of significance, yet it's also a testament to the universe's grandeur, a reminder that we're part of something far greater than ourselves. What does this scale make you feel? Drop your thoughts below and let's keep the conversation going. Our journey now takes us to an even grander stage, the Laniakea supercluster. The Laniakea supercluster, meaning immense heaven in Hawaiian, is our galactic home on a grand scale. Stretching over 500 million light years, it encompasses the Virgo supercluster and over 100,000 galaxies, with a mass equivalent to 100 million billion suns. Discovered in 2014, Laniakea is a gravitational masterpiece, with galaxies flowing toward a mysterious region called the Great Attractor, a gravitational anomaly pulling everything in its grasp. Laniakea is a cosmic web with filaments of galaxies, walls of clusters, and vast voids where little exists. Our Milky Way, local group, and Virgo supercluster are mere threads in this tapestry, orbiting the Great Attractor over eons. The scale is staggering. Light from one end of Laniakea to the other takes 500 million years, a time span that dwarfs human history. This supercluster is a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. We are tiny, yet connected to a structure of unimaginable grandeur. What does it mean to be part of Laniakea? Share your reflections in the comments, and if this journey sparks awe, hit that like button. Our final stop is the edge of the observable universe, where the cosmos reveals its deepest mysteries. As we reach the boundaries of our cosmic exploration, we encountered the observable universe, a sphere 93 billion light years in diameter. This is the farthest we can see, limited by the speed of light and the universe's expansion. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, yet its diameter is 93 billion light years. How is this possible? The answer lies in cosmic expansion, which stretches space itself, carrying galaxies farther apart over time. The observable universe contains an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each with billions of stars and planets. It's a cosmic library, each galaxy a story, each star a potential stage for life. Yet beyond this boundary lies the unobservable universe, regions expanding faster than light can travel, forever beyond our reach. The true size of the universe may be infinite, a mystery we may never unravel. This realization is both humbling and exhilarating. We are part of a cosmos so vast, so intricate that our minds struggle to grasp it, yet here we are, on a tiny blue dot, asking questions, seeking answers, and dreaming of the stars. What does this journey inspire in you? Share your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you're awestruck, and subscribe to keep exploring the universe with us. As we linger at the edge of the observable universe, let's zoom out one final time to behold the cosmic web, a breathtaking tapestry of galaxies, clusters, and superclusters woven together by gravity's invisible threads. Picture vast filaments of galaxies stretching across billions of light years, like glowing highways connecting cosmic cities. Between these filaments lie immense voids, regions so empty that they contain fewer galaxies than we have fingers on our hands. The largest known void, the Boötes void, spans 330 million light years, a desolate expanse where light from one side to the other takes eons to travel. This web, mapped in 2025 using data from the Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument, DSI, reveals a universe sculpted by dark matter and dark energy, forces that shape its structure yet remain shrouded in mystery. Dark energy, driving the universe's accelerating expansion, accounts for 68% of its total energy, while dark matter, binding galaxies together, makes up 26% 97%. Ordinary matter, stars, planets, and us comprises a mere 5%. This cosmic web is a reminder that the universe is not a random scattering of stars, but a structured, dynamic masterpiece, pulsating with forces we're only beginning to understand. What stories might these filaments tell? Could they connect us to civilizations we'll never meet? Share your cosmic musings in the comments, and let's weave our own thread in this universal tapestry. Standing at the edge of the observable universe, we're confronted with a profound question. What does it mean to be human in a cosmos so vast? Every atom in our bodies was forged in the hearts of ancient stars, born in fiery crucibles billions of years ago. We are not separate from the universe, but part of it, a fleeting spark of consciousness reflecting on its own existence. The observable universe, with its 2 trillion galaxies, is a mirror showing us our fragility and our potential. As of 2025, humanity has sent probes like Voyager beyond our solar system, landed rovers on Mars, and captured images of black holes. Yet we've only scratched the surface of what's possible. Projects like the James Webb Space Telescope, now in its 4th year of operation, reveal distant galaxies formed just 200 million years after the Big Bang, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. This journey, from Earth to the cosmic web, forces us to confront our responsibility to our planet and each other. If we're alone in this vastness, every choice we make matters even more. If we're not alone, what might we learn from others out there? Let's ponder this together. What's humanity's role in the cosmos? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button if this journey has stirred your soul, and subscribe to keep exploring the universe's greatest mysteries. Our cosmic odyssey has taken us from Earth's fragile surface to the edge of the observable universe, a journey of unimaginable scale and beauty. We've seen our planet as a pale blue dot, felt the sun's distant warmth, marveled at Mars's red deserts, and stood in awe of Laniakea's grandeur. Each step has revealed a universe more vast, more wondrous than we could have imagined. But this journey is more than a tour of distances. It's a call to wonder, to curiosity, to connection. The universe is not just out there. It's in us, in the atoms forged in ancient stars, in the questions we ask, in the stories we share. So let's keep this conversation going. What part of this journey moved you most? Could there be life beyond Earth in the Milky Way or Laniakea? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you're inspired, and subscribe to join us for more cosmic adventures. As Carl Sagan said, we are a way for the cosmos to know itself. Let's keep exploring, questioning, and dreaming together. The universe is waiting.